I have to study every single night. I want to make Dad proud of me. I cannot make any mistakes. Dad only loves perfect scores. But maybe this time...
I brought something for you, Nora. I think you'll like it.
Really, Dad? What did you bring for me?
Wow, my perfect princess. You are looking so beautiful.
You are my perfect princess, Nora. You deserve all the best things.
Michael is doing it again. He completely ignores our poor little boy.
I did it! I got a perfect score on my difficult math test! A perfect 100!
Wow.
Dad will be so happy. He will finally hug me.
Daddy, is that giant box for me?
Of course it is for you, my beautiful, perfect princess.
He did not even look at me. Am I just invisible to him? Oh my goodness! Thank you so much, Daddy! You are the best father in the world! A brand new expensive tablet! Dad only gives Nora perfect things! Ha ha! Hello, Dad. I got a perfect score on my very difficult math test today.
Not right now, Liam. Can you not see I am busy celebrating with your sister?
But Dad, I studied every single night for a whole week to make you proud.
Put the paper on the kitchen table and go clean your messy bedroom.
It is just a stupid math test to him. I will never be good enough. I cannot stay quiet anymore. Michael is hurting Liam too much this time. How could you do that to Liam? He worked so hard on that math test.
It is just a math test. Nora deserves a special reward today.
Nora did not even do anything today. You buy her expensive gifts every single week.
I make the money in this house. I decide who gets the gifts.
You are completely destroying that little boy's heart. You treat Liam like he does not exist.
Stop being so dramatic. Let us just enjoy this afternoon in peace.
He is breaking our family apart. I must stop this tonight.
The house is finally quiet, but silence like this doesn't always mean peace.
I am so sick and tired of your favoritism, Michael. You are a terrible father to Liam. You treat him so badly.
Keep your voice down. I am a great father. I provide everything for this family.
You provide for Nora. You look at Liam like you cannot stand him, Top, because he looks exactly like my side of the family.
He is weak and annoying. He is always in my way. He always ruins my time with Nora.
How dare you speak about your own son that way, Tand? He loves you.
You must treat them equally. They are both your children.
You want the truth? Nora was planned. Liam was a massive mistake.
Oh no. Liam, my sweet boy. How long have you been standing there? I am sorry I ruined your perfect life, Dad. I am just a mistake. You just broke your son's heart forever. I hope you are very happy. If you feel sad for me right now, please subscribe. So you can find out if my dad ever comes back for me. And tell me in the comments, do you think he should come back? I really want to know.
What have I done? I completely destroyed my own beautiful boy.
The morning light fills every corner, but the silence feels heavier than ever. I have to fix this mistake. I must apologize right now.
Liam, please look at me. I was very angry last night.
No.
I said terrible things.
You do not have to lie to me anymore, Dad. I finally understand the truth.
No, Liam! Please, listen to me. I am so sorry.
It makes perfect sense now. Why you never look at me. Why you always hug Nora.
Please stop saying that. You are my son. I love you.
You do not love me. You love Nora. She is your perfect princess. I folded myself out. Because that is where I belong.
Liam, please unfold the picture. You are breaking my heart right now.
I am just a mistake, Dad, and mistakes are supposed to be thrown away. Get up from the floor, Michael. Your tears won't change anything now. I won't let anyone hurt you again. I promise, Liam. I will protect you, Liam.
What are you doing with that black bag? Where is Liam going?
I called my parents. Liam is going to stay with them for a while.
Enough is enough. He's coming with us, whether they like it or not.
I trusted this man to love my grandson. I was completely wrong.
Come on, my boy. Grandpa is here now. You are very safe.
Please let me explain everything to you.
It was a massive mistake.
No. Liam, please don't take him away from me.
Why is the house so quiet today? Where is everybody? Liam is not here. His bed is messy. He is always awake early. Daddy, where is Liam?
He wanted to stay with Grandpa, Nora. I must see my son. I have to make things right today.
He will not let you inside easily.
I deserved the harsh punishment.
You cannot see him today, Michael. He needs to heal from your cruel words.
Please, Henry. I bought his favorite toy. Let me just talk to him.
Gratin.
I tried to buy his love with expensive things. I was completely wrong. Money cannot fix this. Only time and patience can.
No. Oh, no.
Oh, my hand. It's okay. My mistake doesn't matter anymore. This means more than the pain. You are not a mistake, Liam. You were never a mistake. I was the mistake.
He made this with his own hands. He hurt himself making this. Michael, wake up. Go bring our son home. You are finally ready.
You finally used your own hands. Come inside. Our boy is waiting.
Liam, I am so incredibly sorry for everything I said. I love you so much.
You hurt your hand, Dad.
I made this for you. It is not perfect. It is ugly in places. Just like my mistakes.
You carved my star.
I wanted to make a frame, so you would always have a place to put yourself.
You are not folded away, Liam. You are in the center. You have always been in the center.
I was just too blind to show you.
I really love it, Dad. It is the best frame in the whole world.
I will never leave you again. You are my beautiful, perfect boy.
Thank you for everything, Grandma. I will come visit you again very soon. Oh, my sweet boy.
If you liked my story, subscribe for more stories.